Snakes are extremely dangerous creatures in the natural world. To tame a snake takes a lot of time and effort. So humans dismiss the idea of keeping snakes as pets.
Instead, we raise and export snakes to earn money to support our families.
Before we explore the production process of billions of snakes,
I want to thank those who commented first on the previous video.
back to the main topic. Raising billions of snakes is not simple. Farmers must build a separate house for them, divided into many nests.
Look at this pile of eggs. They are taken directly from the cobra's nest.
After 12 to 18 months, we see these cute baby snakes.
And they lignone. When they are big enough, farmers select the healthiest ones to sell to factories for venom extraction.
Snake meat is also sold at markets because it has high nutritional value.
In the next situation, our guy takes a trip to the coast to get some fresh air.
It's quite cool here, about minus 20 degrees, but look at this trash.
He uses his right foot rule to measure its length. It's huge, but still small for a whale. These hard things are not part of the whale. They are parasitic barnacles.
They are cleaned, going through freezing and thawing stages to create these pink trotters.
Delicious, crunchy carrots. Red ones for eyes, yellow ones for health.
In the next situation, he returns to his daily task, feeding this giant tortoise.
Safe and sound. Now, let's see what we can find in this drying canal.
Its favorite food is carrots. Look at how it chews, never missing a bite.
But for this black carrot, he refuses. What a picky eater. Do you agree the sound of him chewing is incredibly satisfying? Besides carrots, aloe vera is also a nutritious meal for him. Sometimes he almost bites the hand. You need experience to feed him safely. Not only an expert on tortoises, he's also an expert on many other animals. Here is a black Komodo dragon.
This guy is not just black, but also strong. Looks like he's hungry. Let's serve lunch right away.
He loves fresh fish, eating dozens per meal. Look, the fish is bigger than his mouth. With this appetite, in 100 years he might be as big as a cow, enough to feed the whole village.
Pork is an essential food for humans. From chubby piglets to delicious meat cuts.
To reach the market, they must go through a process with many different stages.
But do you know how the rest of the pig is processed besides the meat? Let's find out.
First, the internal organs. Workers trim off all the excess fat and meat.
The stomach is also filtered and cleaned thoroughly, as it contains undigested food.
Each piece is marinated with salt and dried. Next up is the pig trotters. They are cleaned, going through freezing and thawing stages to create these pink trotters.
Look here, these meat scraps from the pig's belly. They are processed like instant noodle packs.
Spread evenly into trays, ready for export to the market.
The final part is pig skin. It is separated from the lean meat.
It goes through freezing and sterilization, then dropped into a machine to cut into super thin strips.
Passed through the production line, seasoning added. Workers even add food coloring for vibrancy.
Yes, the final product from pig skin is actually gummy candies. Who would have thought?
The last processing stage is pig bones, all put into a grinder.
Creating bone broth extract, from which the factory creates delicious seasoning powder.
Another free day for Mr. 7. Today the hunting blood boils, so he finds a neighbor's fish tank. He hears she has exotic aquatic monsters. He drains the tank and clears the foam. The first koi fish is netted. Let's temporarily put you in the foam box. Oh my God, this one trying to escape is an albino pleco. Beautiful as a golden dragon. The next lucky one is this white dragon fish. Look at that body winding, so beautiful. These two goldfish are huge too. Mr. 7 plans to steal the whole lot. Let's see what's in the empty tank. Yes, this koi is excellent. Shiny gold body. Wow, this carp has such a long tail. Is it a mutation? He calculated the neighbor returns in 2 hours. Where is he running to? What the hell? Is this a 7-colored koi? Look at that metallic head. Before your eyes is a cichlid. It was lost among the koi. Look at this one. It has a hunchback. A unique mutation in the tank. And here is the boss of the tank, a giant tricolor koi, heavy as a pig. The loot box is full, a colorful harvest for today's raid. Double checking to make sure is left behind. Oh. We don't waste anything. Time to go. The neighbor's car is pulling in. Run, 7, run! The best way to catch fish here is bare hands. Feel the movement in the mud. Gotcha. Got one. A fierce snakehead trying to burrow away. Look at those sharp teeth. These predators eat everything in the canal. This walking catfish is slippery as oil. Stay still, you rascal. Look at those long whiskers. They use them to sense prey in the dark mud. Ouch! Watch out for the climbing perch. Its fins are like needles.
They can actually walk on land and breathe air for hours. Incredible survivors.
Whoa, almost lost a finger there. A giant mud crab is guarding this hole. You have to grab them from the back. Look at those pinchers, they could break a bone.
Not a bad haul for an afternoon in the mud. Dinner is secured.
Now to clean off the mud and prepare for the best part, cooking. Mr. 7 goes primitive style, dry wood and open fire.
Simple seasoning, just salt and chili, bamboo skewer, and we are ready to roast. The fire is crackling. Nothing beats the smell of fresh grilled fish in the wild.
Look at that color. Golden brown and crispy. It's ready to eat.
Hot and fresh. The meat is sweet and firm, a perfect reward for a hard-working day.
That's it for today's adventure. Mr. 7 is full and happy. Thanks for watching.